chat.
Hey chat.
But I'm anti-vax. I'm not.
Oh. Ew.
I told the stream that I was anti-vax.
I think it was. I mean,
Wait,
it's
can we?
me.
How does it work?
Yeah.
Can you see
Hey,
who's
chat.
on chat?
In the corner, that little button on the right, on the
This?
top. No,
This?
no.
I want to get bits though. I see them do that on YouTube. Get the
Cucumber.
focus in.
Cucumber watermelon.
I feel like I feel like I like that the least. I think I'd like this the best.
We're gonna just try. We'll just have
I'm doing
a
a
little...
rating. I'm giving some content.
Oh, okay. Yeah, good lord.
Oh,
Wow.
let's save a little bit for Tarek.
Oh
No.
no, I don't like cucumber.
Oh,
Unless you're a fan of cucumber. You know, it's like
Okay.
very strong. Yeah,
Oh
no,
yeah,
I'm not a fan.
cucumber.
I haven't drank it yet, but
ooh,
maybe it's
I like that. I like that one.
That's like just bare like the
It's got
hint of
mint.
taste.
Oh,
though.
weird.
Yeah, it's
No,
got
I
mint
don't
as
like
well
that.
in it.
I don't like that.
That was good.
You know what it tastes like? It tastes like when you go to a restaurant, like a fancy restaurant, and then the tap water is in a jug full of like
Oh, I
lemons.
love it when they
I like
do
cucumber.
that.
Yeah.
See, I don't like that.
Oh.
I'm
Click it and then be like,
I feel
what
like
the
there's
fuck?
And
also
then leave.
bots. Oh.
Tax back.
embarrassing. What?
I'm not streaming.
we're
Just
not
here having
streaming.
a bottle of beer.
We're
like
not
a
streaming.
What's the plan? No plan.
This is warm.
Hardseltzers are the
The plan is
plan.
Yeah,
the
I
tasting
just
of
wanted
hard
to update
seltzers.
As a
What did you say
GoPro.
your pin number was, Tarek?
Good.
Stop! Don't
What did you
say.
say your pin number
Don't say
was?
anything. You shouldn't even be saying you select. Well,
You
you
don't
never
know.
know.
You
You
never
never know.
know.
Wait, Troy.
Why is it not turning?
Dude, you could
That
like.
it is.
Oh,
You
it
could.
is.
Joe, you're doxing us right now, Troy.
Yeah.
Confusion.
Anyways.
Anyways.
I finished this. This was good. I like that. Cucumber watermelon.
Yeah, if you have dragon water in Australia, maybe.
Maybe. I could see that being a thing.
You guys got a
That's
disc?
good.
Discord.
A Discman?
I don't have
No,
a
we don't have
Discord.
a disc. Mapo tofu
Oh, that looks
vegan.
like that just looks like
That looks
that
bad.
looks so bad.
Bruh.
So bad.
Yeah, because I mixed it all up. 1 second.
No, this would dox us for real.
You
Then
just
stop.
said it.
Thank you.
Bruh.
Okay.
Bruh.
Head lemongrass lime.
Default.
Alright.
Tail black
I don't know how
raspberry.
to flip a coin.
Flip.
Oh, that was actually really
Good.
smooth. I forgot. Was that
This
something?
This one. Lemongrass
Just
lime.
drink something, please.
Let's do
Yeah.
it. Do you want a glass, Tarek? We can split it 4 ways.
You gotta-
Sure, I'll have a little bit.
You gotta. What's the word? Oh, it foamed.
Oh, interesting. Did the one before do that?
No. So
Okay.
lemongrass
Second
lime.
Okay, bro.
Oh, weird.
Oh,
Smells
weird.
like
Yeah.
soap.
Break
Smells like
it and
soap.
steal everything. Good.
Smells like
You'd be fucking. No, I don't even
Like,
remember what they're called.
like
Cheers.
washing powder.
Oh.
It smells
Cheers.
weird. Cheers.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh,
No.
Jesus.
Well, you don't like it? What was the smell?
No, I smelled it. It smells like washing powder.
Oh, it tastes.
Oh, it tastes good.
It tastes good.
Oh, it
Oh,
tastes
that
like
tastes
a
so
lime
like
good.
Perrier.
Whoa,
It
that
tastes
tastes
like
so
lemon
good.
Perrier or whatever.
I like
That's
that.
really good. I like that too.
Oh well.
It smells like it could be poison. You know what would be good stream content? Us
I like
having
it.
the bomb again.
Yeah. And just crying.
Just don't vomit.
And
That's
we'll
even better
vomit, but I
content,
might shit.
But you can't show that. Wait, is that TOS?
What does
I
TOS
don't know.
mean?
What did
Probably.
you show?
Against terms of
Terms of
service.
service.
If I shit on cam, I mean,
Then that's
maybe I'll
fine.
shit my pants, but you can't see that.
That's fine, as long as you can't see
Please
it.
don't shit yourself in this house, Joe.
I don't want to shit myself. I'm just saying, like.
But you're back.
But you're back.
Just when the whole gang is together now,
Yeah.
so
Wow.
I'm gonna have all of the fun.
The streamer house. Oh fuck. If they made like a chocolate extract,
Yeah.
like if like an alien had a chocolate and try to recreate it. Dude,
Oh, my foot!
bad pour.
Right
bad
on my
pour,
foot.
Bad pour. It smells really
Do I
nice.
smell my feet?
Actually, no. It also smells like dishwasher.
It's too early.
They
for
all
that.
smell kind of weird.
Calm yourself.
This tastes like
Cheers.
something
cheers.
that I enjoy.
Mm.
Can you guess what the thing I enjoy is?
Content
Bubble
triumphs
cough
over
syrup.
love every time. True.
Oh, this tastes a bit like vitamin water.
Yeah,
Mm.
the dragon fruit one.
The purple
Because it's
one.
like fizzy
Yeah.
as well. The vitamin water is like
No,
fizzy.
it's not fizzy.
It
Where
is.
you
No.
at?
I don't know what vitamin water's not.
It's not.
fizzy.
It tastes like the purple.
No,
it was
Here,
the one
like
that I had.
no, it was
Oh.
called
I had some
triple.
In Hong Kong?
Really?
Yeah,
Oh,
Just the one in
maybe
the
it's
bottles,
new.
or are there ones
Maybe
in
it's
cans?
It had fizzy vitamin water.
I think it was. Actually, I don't know.
I'm jealous.
I think it was sweethearts. No, sweet tarts.
Sweetheart. You're calling him a sweetheart.
It's like blown
I
up.
can't see it.
You have to
sorry.
do the YouTuber thing when you got like
Yeah.
Matt. My hand's not big enough to do it.
Yeah,
It's a sweet
yeah,
tart.
that's it.
That's what it tastes like.
Okay.
Should I do burp ASMR?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's.
Yeah.
that's
oh,
what
no.
people want.
Right, I need to drink some more.
Okay.
The limited edition dragon
Mango
water.
sticky rice.
This is the last
I was
one.
making a half-life
This is the
reference.
last one of our
It's the
seltzers.
same
I
thing.
get it.
Mango,
I get
what
it.
is that?
You fuck off, you get it. You
I didn't show any of the other cans, but they're
Never-
really pretty.
never
More
played
like
Half-Life
more
in
like
this life,
Half-Life
so
Alex. I want to buy an Oculus Rift.
So do I.
Why are you telling
So we
me?
can play Half-Life
I'm gonna
Alex.
play it.
How much is an
Wait,
Oculus
guys, we
Rift?
still
I
have to
think
do
I
this
know.
for
It's-
experience.
Yeah, we do. Oh yeah, the Skylab thing.
God,
Sorry, what?
I was looking where the
Seb,
Xiaomi made a VR.
this smells
Oh.
the same as the other one.
Right.
and
It's
Just
so
message,
strange.
message them and be like,
It's
guys,
so
right.
weird.
I
It
know what
smells
you need
almost
to
cream,
make
like the cream.
next.
It smells the
it
same
smells-
as the other one that we
Yeah.
It smells sweet.
Just
But you
start
already
working
had it
for
already?
them. That would actually be useful.
I did.
Yep.
Yep.
What the frick?
What?
Mm.
It's not I guess sunscreen has
Oh
That's
no,
sunscreen.
it's not
okay.
like that.
I
Oh,
like
that
that.
tastes like sunscreen.
That does like
I
it
love
tastes
that.
like
It tastes like there is. Oh, I don't like
tastes
that.
like a mango sticky rice flavored suntan
Does it?
cream.
What does it say? Sticky rice?
It is
tastes
mango
like
sticky
mango
rice.
sticky
cream.
Mango, coconut, and vanilla.
Mm.
I think that's why I don't like. I don't like coconut.
Yeah, you don't like coconut.
I don't. I think coconut tastes
How do
like.
you not like coconut?
I don't know.
What's wrong with? Wait, so you
Yes.
don't-
Slomia says I miss Choi.
I'm here. Don't worry about it, Slomio.
She was getting her Xiaomi band.
Same shit, man.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored.
But,
Not yet.
Yeah.
Not yet.
Check
Sponsored.
my stress levels. Breakdown is a
Wow.
cool guy.
Breakdown's a cool guy.
I hope the girls
Or
watching
gal,
this stream
dude. We don't
right
even
now.
know.
Definitely. She definitely is.
Breakdown, are you a guy? I feel like you.
Are you a guy or
I can't remember.
a
Break-
gal or
I'm
neither?
getting-
They have their username just because of the breakdown JoJo intro, obviously.
Break down. Break
So,
down.
what gender is that?
Doesn't matter.
Oh,
They
okay.
can
Doesn't
be
matter.
any gender they want.
I've been saying
I'm just
they,
saying.
them.
My stress.
Oh my god, that was the first time someone picked it up without me mentioning
Oh my
it.
god, you were right!
Oh, that's actually so cute.
That's
No
so cute.
way.
Tarek,
Dude.
you're right.
Fuck yes!
It took so long to research.
Oh!
We were
said
telling
it.
you this entire time. You were like,
Right, okay, sorry. I just had taekwondo. Everything hurts. I'm tired. I've just eaten. Let me just like.
Dude, you guys should catch up.
oh, I'm
Oh.
sorry.
You have a lot to talk about,
Wow.
obviously.
Yeah. Cool. Oh my god, I can barely stand up right now.
Taku.
Another
Spare
drink.
parts.
I have a bubble me.
Let's go.
Bubble me.
Yep.
Did you say
Sponsored.
bubble me?
I did
Oh my
say
God.
bubble me.
I'm gonna have a warm beer.
Just test
A
two.
warm beer.
Guns out, guns out.
I feel like I'm gonna get this going. Okay, wait, as well. But I mean the memes are the best.
Gamer.
Just JoJo memes. Gamer, bisexual, lighting, big fan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's me.
Nice.
Breakdown.
Well
Forgot your
done.
name for a second. Sorry.
I'm a
Film
film
class.
learning about film and
Ooh.
TV.
Oh my god.
You've been forced to watch JoJo. Oh wait, this
Enough.
is what Ludwig uses.
Yeah.
I told you.
But the thing is, like, the big streamers can just use whatever they fucking.
That's true.
Like Ludwig got away with showing vagina on
That's
stream,
true.
and like
Do you
no
think
one
a
cares.
small little streamer like me
Let's
is gonna
just
get
have,
away with this?
Do we have a Mr.
Doug
Mr.
Bowser?
Mr. Nintendo?
Doug Bowser?
Mr. Nintendo, he's gonna find.
right, I can't have shit with Nintendo.
It's true.
Why are we watching ourselves? Basically, if we were to finish streaming, like we want to stop, okay? You listening?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah,
Calm
choice.
down.
I love guns, bro.
She does have.
She does have
Whoa.
guns. Troy's very buff. 39 followers. Hey, can we get one more for 40?
One more follower. What
One
do
more
you do? What do
follower
you do
for-
at 40?
I will.
I'll do something.
Do
I can slap
something.
You can no.
I've
for
slapped
real?
Joy.
Yeah,
Like real
maybe
You
like-
can't do that. No, you can't
maybe
do that on stream.
maybe for
Oh, you
100,000
That's
won.
TOS.
Oh.
That's pain.
Nobody joke.
It's
It's
violence.
pain.
I mean, it's
I'm feeling pain
it's
right
it's
now.
it's only pain if she feels it.
That's
But-
true. I heard you
Spoilers.
when you said. I heard you when you said MC Escher.
You did. Nobody replied. Oh, you're so
MC Escher.
Because in the
Well, when
in,
we're
in
watching
Squid
it,
Game,
oh,
when
yeah.
it
I
was
heard
like,
I heard that too.
Nobody replied.
I don't know what that means.
in the first episode
Oh,
of
he
Squid
does,
Game,
like-
when they go up the stairs.
That room is based
That
off of
it was-
MC
that-
Escher's
Oh,
He
painting.
I
does,
didn't know
like,
the name.
You
tricky
suck.
things.
You both suck. I'm gonna watch that with you this year, but
What
you
was
said
it
you
in
didn't want to
reference
watch
to?
it.
It's late. We're late.
Well,
We're late
no,
to
no.
The White
What
Rabbit.
was I'm
Is it
late.
the rabbit?
I'm
I'm
late.
late.
For a very important date.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Um,
When you guys can go, I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm a working lady. What can I say?
I'll be honest, all I knew about Hong Kong from my childhood was that it was the best place to get a bootleg suit.
Stuff.
True.
Oh, stuff. Also
What you say?
suits.
Also-
Remember- actually, what I'm wearing right now, I won't show you my feet, but it's
Let me
Please
show the
don't,
feet.
yeah.
I don't
It's
like it that you're even putting
my
the
super
sandal
dry.
on.
They're
No,
not.
it's Supreme.
It's
you-
Supreme. Sorry.
Bro, you don't even know what bootleg
I
brand
don't
it is.
care
you
about
loser.
fancy brands, but I just find these funny because it says
If you
super.
don't care about fancy brands, why does it have to
Because
be
it
the
says
knockoff of a
super
fancy
perm.
brand?
You guys gonna go to the beach tomorrow?
Don't know.
I wanted to go to the beach for so long. I love the beach.
Yeah, we've all been vaccinated, and we actually have 5G home broadband because we live in a old flat. But we already gave off 5G, so like we're all good.
We're good. We're good.
Yeah.
See, I even have a vaccine shirt.
She's talking about how she's anti-vax.
No. I'm pro. Oh. Zap. I did biology at university. I'm
Same.
very pro-vaccine.
Hashtag monsters.
Hashtag shut up. You gonna leave me on stream?
You're about
I'm about to
no.
pee myself.
I spent my childhood in Germany, went to the UK, and my mum's from Turkey, so I'm Asian. I'm Asian.
Traveler boy.
That's all I'm saying.
You're coming out as.
Turkey are assholes for not admitting that they did an Armenian genocide. Just saying, for the record.
Yeah,
Yeah.
bro. Talk
But
to Kim K about
Didn't
that.
Biden come out and say?
Biden
Biden
mentioned
came out.
acknowledged it.
Biden came out.
Biden did mention it.
The 7 steps of genocide.
That's not. Is that a thing though?
Apparently.
That's what we learned.
We know how to
It's
commit a
almost
genocide if
Yes.
we need to. The 7
A
steps.
lot we know.
Basically.
Yes.
How insane do you have to be to build a city that
That's so insane.
is like not doesn't have a sewer system?
In a desert.
It
Yeah.
makes I don't understand. Like
Oil.
Thank you
Get
for
slapped in the
following.
face now.
No,
Just a
because
soft slap.
We'll do
Biden
it
doesn't
off-
care about
off-
the present, the labor violations
No.
are disgusting.
Mm.
Yeah.
we talk about Dubai. I can't like slap you in the face.
We made a promise to our viewers.
If it's not documented, I can slap you all I want.
Okay.
That's true. I can slap you off screen.
Sisters.
I was
Sisters.
thinking, who's the TikTok? No, they're not twins either.
D'Amelio?
D'Amelios.
They're not twins.
The Botezes are like the D'Amelios of Twitch.
But they're not twins.
Minx is
He's-
bisexual.
he's,
so-
Sign me up to the
interested
gay
in
Minxes. Oh, I know
14-year-old
Minx.
Yeah,
boys.
exactly.
I ship her and Beauty Cinderella.
There's the really
best
the J Schlatt is gay.
People's
But he's got the asshole.
Guys,
I would do coke.
Normies.
That's the furthest I'd do. I'm not.
Don't do drugs, kids.
Don't do drugs. Darts is cool.
Excuse me.
Is this supposed to be sad or happy? I don't understand.
Gargura's kind of like Troy.
A VTuber?
Yeah.
wait. Let me ask you a question, Joy.
Go ahead.
Would you ever eat while like?
Yeah.
When Gura got feet, dude,
Oh
you should
my
have seen
days.
this guy. He was.
Woohoo. The
Ooh.
fuck?
Is
More
this the
collide-
one where she covers the tits with the Bible,
Bible, yeah.
right?
Yeah.
This is a VTuber friendly zone.
Beach. No discrimination against VTubers.
She's the
I
one
feel
with
like
the
I've never seen her VTuber.
massive She like
I
The
don't
real
she-
one or the VTuber?
the VTuber. And no, they were so.
Stay here.
Yeah. Sorry, gonna go in a
Boys.
jiffy.
In a
Jimmy. I don't know.
Jimmy?
Jimmy's.
Quick.
In a Limmy?
In a limmy. Are you guys ever coming back to Englando? Bruh, the UK is fucked up at the moment, isn't it? I ain't going
we
back there.
told him already.
Alright, gee.
No, yeah, this is my two fathers.
Related.
These are my two dads and she's adopted.
Except Durag, man. Bro, it's not a Durag, okay? Gee, I don't know. Why does everyone think it's a Durag?
I got in trouble for calling it a do-rag.
Because it's not!
Yeah.
Okay,
So,
that's
Okay,
18,
Yeah.
19, 25.
20, dude.
20.
19. I'll be
25.
19.
Well,
You are a boomer.
Alright,
Bye now.
Durag, man.
Bye.
Bye bye. Thanks for
Thank
dropping
you.
by.
Bye 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 bye.
bye.